This 2026 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 23 MLE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, external shower, microwave, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, TV, awning, spare tire kit, oven, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 23 MLE is 7,778 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.